And now, your Storm Tracker forecast with meteorologist Howie Gordon.
Our warm-up includes temperatures in the 50s and 60s over the next few days until the rain and possible snow shows up. So here is our fastcast. Once again, I said earlier, at midnight, 39 degrees, about 10 degrees warmer than midnight the day before, and throughout the fastcast, about 10 degrees warmer in all these areas. We will feel like 25 degrees at 8 o'clock in the morning compared to 15 degrees this morning. We're going to warm up nicely to 58 degrees, a lot of sunshine, maybe see 60 degrees. So right now, we have cooled off, though, as we are in the 30s and in the 40s in the 4 states, 42 in Joplin, 38 in Miami, and Coffeyville is at 39 degrees right now. Wind chills, not so bad right now, a few degrees cooler, but once again, tomorrow morning, it's going to feel like 25 degrees. So a jacket early until the warm-up, no umbrella, though. So here is the high pressure that is moving out to the east towards the mid-Atlantic, taking the cooler air with it, allowing for the southwesterly flow to continue to warm us up through midweek with some breezy conditions as well. So if the National Satellite Radar, by Wednesday, this Gulf moisture will be in the 4 states. And as we look out in the Pacific Northwest, this isn't quite here yet, but I put it just so we can see it. This low and this front is moving towards the 4 states, but when it crosses through the Rockies, it's going to kind of break them up, and the front is going to be here a little earlier, probably on Thanksgiving, where they were going to probably be here in unison, but then this low will eventually catch up, and with this moisture here, we're looking at large amounts of rain that could cause flooding conditions, but I will fine-tune that forecast later in the week to see exactly what's going on. So now for our FUTURECAST, clear skies, clear and dry. And as we head into Monday morning, much of the same. And hate to bore you, and into Monday evening, we stay dry and cloudless. So for our FUTURECAST temperatures, we're going to wake up in the upper 20s, low 30s in the 4 states, but we will warm up nicely. Maybe we'll see 60 degrees in some parts of the 4 states. So for our high for our Monday in Joplin, we're looking at 58 degrees. Once again, wind chill early. It's going to feel like 25 degrees. So you'll need that jacket early and then maybe take it off. It'll be warm enough for me tomorrow with no jacket. Winds out of the southwest from 5 to 10 miles per hour. So for our 3-day, Tuesday's going to warm up 59 degrees, but we will have 25 mile per hour gusts of wind. Wednesday, we warm up even more, but then Wednesday night, potentially rain. Then as we look at our 7-day, as we go to Thanksgiving, warm up a little more, but then we're going to have some rain on Thanksgiving, and that pretty much is going to continue through the weekend. Then that front finally catches up, cools us off. As you see, 41 degrees on Friday. Doesn't get much warmer into the weekend. Sunday, the sun shines a little more, and lows in the 20s. So, I don't know, it's changed a little bit. Warm early, but then we're going to cool off pretty much for the weekend.
Yeah, it's going to be a bad end of the week. Thanks, Howie. Turning now to sports, Derek Smith joins us in the studio. Derek.
Well, Brian, week 11 of the NFL is looking good for a few teams, and that includes Kansas City.